AI is changing the world, but could it also destroy it? From mass surveillance to job automation, the rise of AI isn't all good. Today, we explore the dark side of AI, and what it means for you. Stay till the end, because what we uncover might shock you. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing industries, making our lives easier, and pushing boundaries. But there's another side to AI that many don't talk about. Could AI become too powerful? Could it be used against us? Let's explore the risks that come with AI's rise. Governments and companies are using AI-powered facial recognition to track people everywhere. AI systems can analyze security cameras, social media activity, and online behavior in real time. AI surveillance has been linked to mass censorship, government control, and privacy violations. Countries like China already use AI to monitor citizens at all times. Is AI keeping us safe, or invading our privacy? Should we be concerned about a world where AI knows everything about us? AI is replacing jobs in customer service, manufacturing, transportation, and even creative fields like writing and art. Many workers are already being replaced by AI chatbots, self-driving trucks, and robotic automation. Companies prefer AI because it doesn't need breaks or salaries. Will AI create new jobs, or are we headed toward mass unemployment? How can we prepare for an AI-driven economy? AI-generated videos and voice deepfakes are becoming so advanced that people can't tell what's real anymore. Fake political speeches, fake celebrity scandals, and even fake news reports are already circulating. Deepfake technology could be used to manipulate elections, ruin reputations, and spread false information on a massive scale. How do we know what's real anymore? Can AI-generated lies be stopped, or is misinformation the future? AI learns from human data, but if the data is biased, AI amplifies those biases. AI in hiring can reject job applicants unfairly based on race or gender. AI in law enforcement has wrongfully accused people of crimes. AI in healthcare can favor certain groups over others. AI is only as fair as the data it learns from, but who controls what AI learns? If AI learns from us, will it amplify our worst traits? Who decides how AI makes its decisions? AI is now writing its own code, learning faster than humans, and making decisions without human input. Experts like Elon Musk and Stephen Hawking have warned that if AI becomes too advanced, humans might lose control. Could AI one day see us as a threat? Is AI our greatest invention or our last? Can we truly control something that's getting smarter every day? AI is changing the world, but are we ready for the risks? The future of AI depends on the choices we make today. What worries you most about AI? Is it surveillance, job loss, or something else? Let's talk in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more deep dives into AI and the future.